Traders, on the move this morning, we got QGEN down over 18%, over 700,000 traded pre-market in play. AMBA down almost 6%, over 150,000 traded pre-market, that's in play. DPZ down almost 6%, over 150,000 traded pre-market in play. We got quite a few here we can work with this morning. We also stream these every weekday morning around 8 a.m. alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check that out every weekday morning around 8 a.m. Now let's get to it. AMBA, we're going to short this right here at the ask if we can get in. I'm going to get this. Cancel that, it's dropping hard right there. I actually should have done it up at 52. I was gonna, but it hadn't stopped climbing yet. NVDA, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid, if we can get in. Alright, we're in. We're in NVDA long at 179.46. Stock's been pretty strong lately, and it's dipped quite a bit this morning. Market has been dipping for a while, so we think the market reverses here for a little bit and brings this one up with it. So stop loss on this is going to be about 178.60 area, and target on this I like it around 180.50, but it's not looking good here. It's probably going to break the lows here. But the daily had been pretty strong. If we look at the daily here, it had been strong. I think if the market wakes up, the stock should easily climb, but the market needs to wake up. NVDA pretty much at entry here, just waiting for the market to wake up. Then we should see a nice little squeeze here, I think. NVDA, we're going to come out of this right here. Alright, we're out. We're out. I don't see the market waking up here, and we're way too close to the lows here. So we're going to come out with, what is that? We took a 7-cent loser. AMBA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit before it breaks 51. Alright, we're in. We're in at 51.28. Daily looks good. This thing's been dropping for a while. You know, a little extended, but intraday it gaps down, rallies at the open, and now it looks really weak. I think it goes back down to 50, but we'll take it somewhere around 50 area, and stop loss will be over 52. AMBA, let's take a look at this thing up close. It's pretty much an entry here. But the market looks like it's about to drop, so maybe we'll get some tailwind here. All right, here it comes. All right, let's see if we can get it below 51. Should be a lot of stops there. Whole number. AMBA. All right, maybe we crack 51 this time. But if we don't, I'm gonna come out of this thing. This thing's giving me a headache. AMBA. If it don't crack this time, I'm out of this thing. It's starting to give me a real headache here. Come on. All right, here we go. All right, let's get out of this thing right here if we can. I'm actually going to push this up. We're out of this. We're out. I don't want that anymore. This thing's giving me a headache. I should have cracked there, and I should have cracked hard. It didn't. So we took, what is that, about 25 cents, 26 cents out of that trade. AMBA, and look at that. Should have stuck around. I didn't. I came out premature, and look what happened. It dropped right after I got out of it. Because it had dropped, and it popped right back up, and I just didn't want any part of it anymore. But look. Would have been another 30-40 cents maybe. Man, it's a rough morning here. I don't see nothing. You know, AMBA would have worked out a little bit better, but got out of that a little early. NVDA, we're going to take this for a long right here if we can get in. All right, we're in. We're in at 177.66 long. We took it earlier for a long, and it didn't work out. We only lost like 6 cents, and good thing we got out because it continued to drop. And now I think it's probably going to stop dropping soon, I hope, and reverse and shoot up. Target on this one, we're going to be taking this one. Let's take a look at this thing up close. That's a big drop there. Maybe it reverses here. But target on this one is going to be, I like at least the point, around 178.75. And stop loss on this thing will be around 176.75 area. But this thing's been dropping for a while. The market's been dropping for a while. We should see a reversal sometime soon. you know, unless this is one of those days where the market just drops all day. We have plenty of those. We usually have, I don't know, 3 or 4 a year where the market just drops all day, you know. Could be today. But if the market does decide to climb here, we should see a nice, good size squeeze here. NVDA, pretty much getting to our stop area. We'll see if it doesn't bounce soon, we're just going to come out of it. The market is still dropping. I just don't want to come out of this now and then the market turns. We're at our stop here. We've had quite a few red candles here. Alright, looks like it's coming back to us. That's good. Now I got to decide if I get out here or if I wait. Now I think the market's been dropping for a while, so I think the market's going to probably put in at least a couple of green candles before it continues downtrending, if it's going to downtrend. NVDA, alright, looks to be coming back to our entry point. Yeah, you know what? We're going to come out of this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. 30-cent loser. I don't see the market climbing here. If we look at the SPY here, I saw this green candle. I'm like, alright, this will probably be a good chance for me to get out with a smaller loss. NFLX, we just got in it at 273.50 right before it broke down below it. It's looking good here. It's probably going to be a quick trade. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Target on this one, we like it below 273, probably like 273.50 area. And stop loss will be over 274.25 area. But it looks good here. Market is dropping. We're at the lows of the day. And it looks like it wants to continue, so it should take everything down with it. NFLX, here it comes. Like to see it below 273. Alright, let's take this right here if we can. Push this up a little bit. Alright, we're out. We're out with about 70 cents or so. Take that just in case it pops here. Market is at low a day, and it could easily pop back up. NFLX has been dropping for a bit here. Just wanted to get that breakdown below this area here. Got it. So that's going to be it for us today, traders. Don't really see anything else that looks good. Plus, I'm not really in tune with the market today. So we're going to keep it green. We're up 80. Let's take a look at the trades. 4 trades, 2 winners and 2 losers. Our biggest loser on NVDA and our biggest winner on NFLX. Thanks for watching.